which is ReTrigger, where you have a display of four cards like so, which is one of my all-time favorite one-handed cuts. I just love it, and it's become a signature move of mine. So when you're doing that one, it is good to have a little bit of moist, or whatever you call it. Just don't have too dry hands. It's gonna mess this up. It's gonna be difficult to split off that single card. And already, as soon as you've split off the single, it should already be somewhat in a clipped position. I mean, not completely, as you can see, it's dangling a little bit, but it is being held within that gap, like so. And as soon as you connect this packet down there, now it's being securely held in a position. And that is, again, because of where the thumb is and how the edge of this packet is being held on the thumb. So obviously when this, oh, there you go. There you can see that the single card isn't being held when the thumb is in a different position. Just to show you, when you're here, now it could fall off because the packet is being held very much by the side of the thumb, like almost the nail. And then as soon as you position this packet underneath the base packet, now you're in a much more secure grip, and you're actually clipping that single card between the edge and part of your thumb, as you can see. Then you can place that down there, and then I normally just get into a regular ReTrigger right after, and then I continuously do it. Yeah, you can just place it down there right after. Let me think if there's anything else I should add. I mean, you are, once again, as I said, the key thing is, how is this packet, like the thumb is doing a lot of the work here. So how is this, let's do it without the single. How is this packet being held? So you need to maybe practice this rotation, this movement. So it goes from being regularly just in the middle of the thumb to being on the edge of the thumb. Now it's almost like I'm basically touching with the nail there. So it goes from there to there, to there, to there. That is key. That is the whole move, basically. So you're stripping out the single. And when you're down here, you're not, like at least for this move, you're not, and also the 3-packet version, but you're not clipping this base packet, because you need to have room for this to land underneath and connect. So yes, the get ready, the split, the connection of the 2 packets underneath. There's the single card version, where you strip out a single and it's being held securely, like so. And you place that underneath, then get into a regular version, regular running version. Then you can always, at some point, whoops, that was a little tricky, since it was a single card. I definitely advise against that. Never split off a single card, because that's just going to be very tricky. But yeah, you can obviously keep on going forever. And that's some of the tips I have on ReTrigger and ReTrigger. Yeah, if you have any more questions regarding this move, reach out, and I'll see you in the next